So good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video we are just talking about this opportunity from the coming from the ISRO NRSC. So let's move the in advertisement, and there is a number of posts in post code RS10. Is number of post is 3, and if you are just completed your MSc in geology, applied geology, or equivalent specialization with BSc having physics, mathematics, or geology as a compulsory subject, then you can fill this. And in case of postcode RS11, there are 4. And if you are just completed your ME/MTech in remote sensing and GIS, geoinformatic, or equivalent specialization with BE/BTech in any branch of engineering, then you can fill that. Third one is RS12, and this is number of 4 vacancies. ME/MTech in remote sensing and GS, same degree, but with the in case of BTech you have completed in civil engineering or agriculture engineering. Okay, so RS13 there is one post, and if you are completed with ME/MTech in remote sensing and GS, same thing, but you have to be BTech in computer science engineering or geoinformatic or equivalent specialization. Okay, in RS14, if you completed your ME/MTech in remote sensing, same thing, but you have to completed your BSc in agriculture, forestry, horticulture for 4 years. Okay, and RS15, there is number of post 1. So MSc in botany, forestry, ecology, and the environmental science or equivalent specialization with BSc in any subject, then can fill. RS16, the number of vacancies is 2, and if you completed ME/MTech in civil engineering with a specialization in water resource, hydrology, irrigation, water management with a BTech in civil engineering or agriculture engineering, then you can fill. So yeah, for the project scientist, and this is for which post? So this is for research scientist. Okay, this is for the research scientist, and this is for a project scientist. So the postcode is PS02, and the number of vacancies is 6. And if you completed your ME/MTech in remote sensing, same thing with BTech in computer science engineering or geoinformatic or equivalent specialization. Okay, and the positions for this, you have a number of posts of 4, and BTech in computer science engineering equivalent specialization, and postcode BA03, then number of posts is 2, and MSc in remote sensing, GIS, or equivalent specialization with BSc in any subjects. And for this post there are number of vacancies 12, and you have completed your ME/MTech in geoinformatic or equivalent specialization with BTech in computer science engineering or geoinformatic or equivalent specialization with 2-year experience in research and development in industrial and academic institution of science and technology organization and scientific activities and services. Okay, so you can fill this. And for the also post of GRF, also put of GRF if the post code is this, and the number of vacancies is 1. If you completed ME/MTech in civil engineering with a specialization in water resources or equivalent specialization, then we can fill. Or with MD/MTech in BTech in civil engineering or agriculture engineering. And for GRF14, the number of vacancies is 1. ME/MTech in this. GR15, number of vacancies 7. MSc in atmospheric science or equivalent specialization with BSc having physics and mathematics as compulsory subjects. GR16, number of posts 6. MSc in oceanography or equivalent specialization with BSc having physics and mathematics as compulsory subject. GRF17, number of vacancies is 1, and ME/MTech in atmospheric science, chemistry, earth system science with BTech in any branch of engineering. GRF18, number of vacancies is 1, MSc in atmospheric science, meteorology, or equivalent specialization with BSc with physics and mathematics as a compulsory subjects. Okay, and GRF19, the number of vacancies is 1, and MSc in agrometeorology or equivalent specialization with BSc in agriculture of 4 years. GRF20, number of vacancies 3, ME/MTech in atmospheric science or equivalent specialization with BTech in any branch. GRF21, number of vacancies 3, MSc in climate science, physics, atmospheric science, and physical oceanography, geography with a BSc having physics and mathematics as a compulsory subjects. Okay, and there's also three you can read: GRF 22, GRF 23. You can pause the video and you can read. And they are just asking for the MSc and BSc. This is also for MSc and BSc, and this is ME MTech in the atmospheric chemical engineering, meteorology, or BE Tech in any engineering. Okay, so here you can read about the project. Okay, so this is a project and you can read. I just give the PDF, this notification link in the description. You can directly download from there. So in case of salary for the research scientist, they will be pay you 56,100 and plus DA and HRA. And for the project scientist, they will be pay 56,000 plus HRA. Okay, and for the project scientist B, they will be pay you 56,000 same. So for the project associate, they will pay you 31,000 per month plus HRA. And for project associate 2, they will be paid 35,000 per month plus HRA. And for junior research fellow, they will pay you 37,000 per month with possibility of increase up to 42,000 as a senior research developer after 2 years. Okay, after 2 years upon their successful completions. So what is the eligibility? The eligibility will be you if you have a 60% marks in ME MTech, then and if you did the MSc, then you have 65% marks in MSc, and you have completed your BTech, then you got minimum 65%. In case of CGPA, it's they also mentioned you need 6.8 for CGPA, or in case of this you need 6.5. In case of this you need 6.84. Okay, they also mentioned it for the BSc 60%. Okay, so they have mentioned the age limit. Okay, so look, this is the age limit for the GRF will be for the EWS or URA 28, OBC 31, and SC/ST 33. Okay, and the same for the RS MSc based, and for the MTech based they will increase 2 years in each section. And for the PA first and second, they increase around 5 years of MTech based. And PSC 1 PS1, so in a UR EWS 35, 38, 40, and PS2 35, 38, 40. Okay, so this is the direct selection because they will be take a screening test, but that not effective on your final selection. If less number of candidate will be applied, then you can directly go to the offer for the interview. But in case of and casually there are a lot of students will be apply here, so they will be conduct a examination in Hyderabad, and they will be take the screening test, and they will be select the students from their performance of their. So they have clearly mentioned the final selection of purely based on the performance in the selection interview. So that exam, that screening test does not affect on your marks, on your performance. Okay, so that's for the so that's the formality to filter the students only. Okay, so that's not effective on your final selection. And let's move further. So they have mentioned you have to upload your documents. Okay, so you have to candidate upload the clear image, scanned copies of the documents in the online portal following which their applicants will be rejected. Okay, you have to submit your all the documents, required documents, what post you are applying for. So this is, yeah, let's see what kind of documents. So these are 5 documents, and the recent photo, and they mentioned the size, and and the signature, your signature, and they mention the size, and the eligibility, essential qualification like MD, MTech or MSc and BTech, what kind of post you are applying for, and proof of qualifying gate. If you qualify gate net, using it, and then you can apply, or equivalent test, the national well test, you can mention it here. And if you are OBC, disability, SC/ST, then we also mention it that certificate. So there is a question how you have to apply. So this is the link, I'll just give in the description, you can check out from there, https://www.nrsc.gov.in, and you can apply from there. And the application will start from 18th March, and the last date is 8 April. So you think why are you just uploaded the video on this? So actually the date will be extended, and I was not idea about it, so I could not upload video on this. So but now this date is extended, and now the final date is, they have not mentioned it, but they have released the notice on their website. So they have extended the date, and the date will be extended till the 12th April. It all means by tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow you can fill the form. So you have 2 days time, and now I'm just uploading the video on 11th, and the 11th and 12th, you have 2 days time. So you can just go and just go to the description, and I just mentioned the link, I just mentioned this notification link, you can download this notification, you can read, you can just go down the directly and can fill this form right now, because there is less time. So I hope you got everything. If you have any kind of query, then you can comment, I will just try to respond as soon as possible. And thank you for your support, and make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon, because in the future if I just uploaded the video, then we'll get a notification immediately. Thank you very much. Meet in next video. Bye bye.